Have you ever found yourself ready to start baking a cookie recipe? You have the time, you have all your ingredients, you have all your utensils, only to find that when you take out your recipe and read it, you need room temperature butter. And that would have required you to take this out about 30 minutes ago. Well, I'm going to share a secret with you so that you'll never have to worry about waiting to take out your butter ever again. So when a recipe asks for softened butter or room temperature butter, it's generally because you want to cream the butter with the sugar. So having softer butter makes it so much easier and it allows the butter to get incorporated much better. But here's the trick. If you didn't take your butter out or you just don't want to take it out in advance, have a box grater and you grate your butter. Grating down your butter is a perfect way to get the butter into small, soft pieces, which will make it easy to mix with the rest of your ingredients. So the next time you find yourself in a baking bind, just know there's always a solution. Until next time, happy baking!